Welcome back to the new episode of Quiz Falcon Elementary Level General Knowledge Trivia Quiz. You have to solve 30 questions for 10 seconds each. Okay, let's start with the easy level quiz. What color is a banana? A banana is yellow. How many days are in a week? There are 7 days in a week. What animal barks? A dog is the animal that barks. How many wheels does a car have? A car has 4 wheels. What do bees make? Bees make honey. What is the opposite of up? The opposite of up is down. How many legs does a cat have? A cat has 4 legs. What shape is a pizza usually? A pizza is usually in the shape of a circle. What color is grass? Grass is green. How many hours are there in a day? There are 24 hours in a day. What animal says meow? A cat says meow. What do we call our planet? Our planet is called Earth. What do you drink from a bottle? You drink water from a bottle. What is 2 plus 2? Two plus 2 equals 4. What fruit is red and has seeds? A strawberry is red and has seeds. Now move towards medium level quiz. How many sides does a triangle have? A triangle has 3 sides. What do fish swim in? Fish swim in water. What color is the sun? The sun is yellow. What do we call a baby dog? A baby dog is called a puppy. What do you put on your head to stay warm? You wear a hat to stay warm. How many continents are there in the world? There are 7 continents in the world. What is the opposite of night? The opposite of night is day. What is the name of the big red planet? Mars is the big red planet. How many eyes do most humans have? Most humans have 2 eyes. What kind of animal is a frog? A frog is an amphibian. Now hard level quiz. What is the main color of a school bus? School buses are yellow. What season comes after summer? Autumn comes after summer. How many fingers do humans have on one hand? Humans have 5 fingers on one hand. What sound does a cow make? A cow makes the sound moo. What color is a stop sign? A stop sign is red. Thanks for watching. Tell your score in the comment box and hit the like and subscribe button for more updates. Stay happy, stay learning.